is wild, absolutely wild. A bunch of different manufacturers and riders in the mix to win.
Martin back on Quartararo up the hill into the first corner. He's back in third.
From nowhere, from third up to second, and Quartararo is trying to mug them both.
Late.
Wow. And B ran through sector 3 and 4. These guys are all on
they're a standstill.
You can't put your arm up. You can't stop the race. It's
through turn number 9. Oh, they're all coming in.
Apart from Binder.
Binder's gone for it.
Binder has already got wet tyres on.
Ooh, a bit of a stuttering flag-to-flag bike swap then from Fabio Quartararo.
Here, and Brad Binder crosses the line leading from Alicia Spargaro.
They're now in second
underneath there, trying to work out what needs to be done. There are
31 seconds behind Brad Binder. He's gone down, pushing too hard. Slick tyres.
Oh, he's almost
sideways. Look at that, no lean angle whatsoever. He was almost down.
Second flag is out, ladies and gentlemen. Brad Binder wins in KTM's backyard.